Hey everyone, what's going on? It's your boy Krebsy Crypto, and for today's video we're going to be taking a look at some free Bitcoin cloud mining apps. And with these apps, it allows you to mine and accumulate Bitcoin for free without using any power of your own or using any equipment of your own. It's kind of just an easier way to get some Bitcoin if you don't have access to power, if electricity is too expensive for you and things like that. These ones allow you to get free hashing power and accumulate Bitcoin. Again, it's not a huge amount by any means, but it's just something to do if you do want to accumulate, and again, you just don't have access to anything. Now, before we get into this, you're not going to get super rich or anything off of this. Of course, you're not going to be getting like multiple Bitcoin or anything crazy like that. I mean, if you do it for a long while, you might, but this is all just through Android apps on the App Store. You can get some of them on the iPhone Play Store there. So, or I should say App Store, and then on Android, it's the Play Store. So these do work because how it gets around being listed on the App Store is that it's a cloud mining app. So they allow to have paid services, or you can go ahead and mine, but you're not like directly mining, kind of like AA Miner or Varus Miner and some other ones where they don't allow it directly on there. This is all just through watching ads and building like a profile and having hashing power and stuff. But I'll show you the ones that I know are working and the one that I have had payouts on. I'm testing 2 others as well, so I have a total of 3 today to kind of show you. But the main one I use here is this one right here. So this one with the blue Bitcoin logo, Bitcoin mining, crypto, cloud mining, whatever. I'll show you it in the App Store and the Play Store, so that way you can go ahead and download it. But this is the main one I've used and I've had success with. I have payouts and everything from it. The other 2 I'm testing is Bitcoin Cloud Mining and this one here, BTC Mining Pro. This one I have a little suspicion on. It doesn't seem right, but again, this one totally works fine. So we'll open it up here. Don't mind if the angles and all this are a little rough. I'm just trying not to like kind of dox myself on the reflection here, as you can see. But when you open the app, this is the first screen that you'll see. You might have to make an account or something like that. So you just quickly use like your Google account or something that you have on your device. But once you open it up, you're going to see the daily rewards. And this is just a free multiplier for your hash rate. So if you have 5 gigahash, this will multiply it by 1.10 and then so on and so forth for each day. And all you do is click claim, and then it adds it to your mining power. So all we'll do is click close on that. And this will be your main screen. Now I've already activated the free hash rate. So once you get started here, you're gonna see hash rate right here, and there's gonna be this green box here. It's gonna say 8 hours. Yours is gonna say free because I've already activated mine. Each day you can go on there and get free gigahash towards your mining power. Again, it just might be different variables. One day it might be 5 gigahash. One day it might be 2, one day it might be 4. It just depends on the Bitcoin network, the price of Bitcoin, and like their ads and stuff. So as you see down below it, there's this green one that has 24-hour watch ad. This one gives you 659.55 megahash a second each time you watch it for 24 hours. And you can sit there and just watch ads and have them running all day. So each ad you watch adds 659 megahash. Now that one will be variable as well. So sometimes it can be like 4 gigahash, 5 gigahash, 6 gigahash. Sometimes it can be 400 megahash, 600 megahash. It just depends on the whole market. And of course the market's kind of been dipping or tanking recently. So obviously these hash rates won't be anything too high. And then up in your corner here, this is gonna be where your Bitcoin price is. So right now I have some mining going on. So as you see, it's accumulating the Bitcoin. And again, you're not gonna get a crazy amount. I've been running this for a little bit now, and I just do ads every once in a while when I'm bored and stuff. So once you're on that, you can go ahead and click contracts. And this is gonna be your main hub for all of your mining. Let's get a focus here. So as you see up top, you have your free ads you can watch, you have offers you can do and get more, and then your free daily one. And then here, if you feel like it, now I've never done this, you can go ahead and purchase contracts. I'm not sure if it's financially worth it, if it pays out what you're putting into it or anything. But if you are interested in putting money into it, again, I don't recommend it. I just do this for the free aspect. You can go ahead. And if you scroll down here, you're gonna see all your contracts that you currently have going and how much each one has made you. Because when you watch the ad, it adds it right here, and then it'll say what you've earned, how much power it is, how much longer it is. So each time you watch an ad, it'll keep adding to there. And as you see, your total hash rate, mine's only 12 gigahash right now, so I haven't really been watching too many ads or anything. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. So once you do that, you can also go here. This is the wallet. As you see, I have payouts and everything, so withdrawals, as you see. Again, it's not anything crazy, but it's still free Bitcoin for doing literally nothing. You know, watching a few ads every, few days or something like that. Once a day, you just go on and watch some ads, get your multiplier, get your free hash rate, and move along. So as you see there, and you can click earn more, and there's more ways to earn. I don't do any of this. I just simply watch the ads and let it accumulate. And then you can withdraw once it's like, I think it's like 6-0. So it's like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 7. So once I hit one more here, then you should be good. But yeah, again, it's nothing too hard. It's just a free alternative since the market's kind of down and things are not the best right now, or if people just don't want to run anything, or if maybe if you're in a country that doesn't have power, or like doesn't have the power for mining, or very low or very expensive power, this is kind of going to be an easier way. People say that it's just they're paying you out for watching all those ads, but to me at the same time it doesn't make sense, because like why would it consistently pay out like this going along with the hash rate and stuff? But anywho, I'm still getting a little bit of free Bitcoin, and there's a certain wallet that I use. I'll show you that on my Android phone, and I just simply use that one wallet just because it can link up when you go to withdraw from here. So you can withdraw and you can do Bitcoin Network or Bitcoin Lightning. I use Bitcoin Lightning just because it's quicker, easier, and I just accumulate. Eventually, I can swap over or something like that. But for now, just for these apps, I just use the Bitcoin Lightning, because you would need a huge amount in order to actually make it worth the Bitcoin transaction. So yeah, it's literally as simple as, well, I'll show you here. You just click watch ad, an ad will come up, and then usually it plays for like 10, 15, 30 seconds, depending on the ad. And then you'll see an X come up in the top corner here or there. You just close it out and it adds to it. So once this ad is done playing, I'll just resume recording here. So as you see, it's done in the top corner there. It has the X. So all you do is click it, and then it literally accumulates, and it has a little confetti. So 12.7 gigahash now. And as you see, it reappears there, so you can just keep doing it. Usually if I'm working on something or just kind of hanging out, I'll just sit here and press the ads every once in a while, keep building it up, keep, just earning more and more. But now I'll go on my Android phone and I will show you the wallet I use and maybe one or two other apps that I haven't really confirmed or anything that do pay out, but currently they are working. All right, so on my phone here, as we see, got my Android phone out. So here I have like pretty well the same apps as I did on my tablet there, just trying to get to focus. So I got the Bitcoin mining one, I have BTC Mining Pro, and then BTC Cloud Miner. BTC Mining Pro, this one I'm not really certain on, just due to the fact like you gain a very excessive amount of Bitcoin. The payout's 0.1 Bitcoin, so it will take a while, but after just like a week or so of using it, I've accumulated that much Bitcoin apparently, and it doesn't take long to get 0.1 from this. You have, this one's pretty much the same thing. It has a little more ads, but you click start mining and that will activate your free 5.3 giga hash, and that runs for about every 60 minutes. You can do a daily gift, which gives you 25.2 gigahash. You can do another one that gives you another 50. So you can boost those every, I think it's like hour or something like that. You can hypermine, which gives you another 250 gigahash for like, I think it's like 5 minutes or something. And then if you go to the store here, you can select each plan and just kind of get it for like 4 minutes. So you can add another 920 gigahash. So some of these you can just build right up. So apparently I'm up to 0.0019. I haven't tried paying out, as you can see. You have to get to 0.1 Bitcoin. So again, take this with a grain of salt. I'm not confirming this particular app here pays out or anything, but it does work. You click start mining, you watch an ad, it starts mining. Same kind of concept. And they also have ones you can purchase and stuff like that through their store, as you see here. You can go all the way up to 15 terahash if you want. There's your wallet, you have your own profile, and this one has pop-up ads, so it's a little more annoying. But again, I just don't know if that one 100% pays out, so that's something you can look into if you're interested. That's BTC Mining Pro. All these you can get in the Play Store or App Store. The last one is BTC Cloud Miner here, and it's the same type of deal. This one, again, I think is more legit, kind of like the first one, just due to how long it actually takes to accumulate. You get free 4 hours of 3.5, just watch the ad. Free 24 hours of 5.5. This one has tasks and stuff you can do. You have free stuff you can claim, but I've never been able to claim any of those, so I don't know if that even works. You have your market where you can go and buy different mining rigs and stuff like that, just like the other ones. Again, I wouldn't recommend going and doing this by any means. You can see your wallet. Again, I haven't withdrawn, so I don't know if this one actually pays out 100% or not. And then you have your actual miners here, that your free ones, your paid ones, you have your profile. So it's all down here. You're simply just watching ads and going about your day. This one, again, has pop-up ads, so it's a little more annoying. But overall, let me close these out. Overall, I find this first one is the best one here. So this first one, these two, again, I'm not sure if they pay out. They work and everything, I just don't know if they pay out. This first one works and pays out, so you can go ahead and get that on the Play Store. So I'll show you what to kind of search up. So what you do is obviously open up, if you're on iPhone or Android, you open up the Google Play Store. On iPhone, you open up the App Store. And then you just go over to search here. And then you go to search, and then I just type in, let me close this. What was it? BTC Mining, I think it was. BTC Mining, and it should come up with the one up top here. So yeah, that's going to be your one up there, the Bitcoin mining bracket crypto miner. It's going to be this blue one, the gold one. That one's for certain. You can go ahead and check out some of these other ones. So really, it's trial and error with a lot of these. I know sometimes it's a bit of waste of time watching ads and seeing. But usually you can tell once you get a working one like this one, you'll be able to kind of tell how the other ones are going to work, or if they're even going to pay out. So again, you can just search BTC mining or Bitcoin mining, and these apps should come up. We'll close that. I'll go back over. So here, this is the wallet I use, not Wallet of Satoshi. That's an all right one to use, Wallet of Satoshi, but I couldn't have luck with it receiving or anything like that. So I downloaded MUUN, Moon or Mun. That's kind of what I got off of Reddit. So I'm just gonna enter my PIN here. So as you see, again, you don't get crazy rich or anything. This is off the few payouts that I did have off of that first mining app there, the one I showed you at the beginning. And this is, I believe this one's ran through Lightning Network. So if you click on receive, it will be, yeah, you can go up top and click Bitcoin or Lightning. I usually use Lightning and just use that address. And with this wallet too, when you go to pay out, you can simply just straight up connect it to the app, and then it'll just transfer it over. Like, not connect it, but like open it up so that way it transfers to this address, so that way you don't have to copy and paste. But yeah, overall, I just wanted to show you a few free alternatives for Bitcoin mining. Again, you can call it Bitcoin mining, you can call it Bitcoin cloud mining, you can call it just free like whatever you want. I know technically you're not mining, but it's still a free alternative for some people that maybe don't have the access like we do to graphics cards, CPUs, hydro, stuff like that. And it just gets people holding Bitcoin, whether it be 15 cents, whether it be $1,000, whether it be $10,000. It's just about getting the use out there and giving, that opportunity to someone. But again, you might, as you see here, I got Cryptex Miner. I have a few other tutorials that are going to be coming for phone mining and stuff like that. But that's pretty much all I have for this video. I tried to keep it short, simple, and sweet, but I get talking and I kind of just wanted to describe a few of these things just so you guys get the full, you guys fully know what's going on. You're not going to get crazy rich or anything. This is just a free alternative for some people that just want to get Bitcoin or have something going. If you're bored for a day, just watch a bunch of ads. If you're doing something, have it going in the background. It's as simple as that. But again, that's all I got for you guys today. If you did enjoy the video, make sure that like and subscribe button, as it lets me know you're enjoying my content. But if you have any questions or concerns or anything like that, you can go ahead and just comment down below, and either myself or someone in the community will be able to get back to you and help you out in whichever way needed. But again, I hope you all have an amazing day, and this is Krebsy Crypto signing out.